Yo, what's good, guys? It's LT Trades back at another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be going over the trade that I took Wednesday, April 1st of 2026. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first I marked out my previous session, highs and lows, 1 hour highs and lows, 4 hour highs and lows. As you can see, I was bearish for the day, because, we took out these high time frame draws on liquidity. I think this was a news candle. But yeah, so we took out these high time frame draws on liquidity, and I was bearish for the day. We had our manipulation pre-market, so we didn't know if I had manipulation. Um, and then coming to market open, we had this inverse fair value gap, which gave me a very, very good faith, faith for the day, faith in my bias and stuff like that, man. So yeah, so we had this inverse fair value gap, and then I see that you can't really see it on here, but um, we did have a tiny, tiny, tiny fair value gap right here. I'm not gonna mark it out because it's small, so you won't really see it. But um, we came down, inverse this gap, market came back up, retraced into this fair value gap, gave us a little pullback, as well as retraced into 5-minute equilibrium. So overall, I really had faith in this. But the thing is we needed to be careful about that inverse fair value gap. Although it's small, it's still, you know, it's still a confirmation to either say we're respecting it or disrespecting it, bearish or bullish confluences. So yeah, um, we did retrace into 5-minute equilibrium though. And then I saw, we were kind of having some little pullbacks right here, and then I'll go down to the 1 minute time frame, and we did end up breaking structure on the 1 minute, I believe. Yeah, we ended up breaking right around here. So I entered right around here. I set stops, I believe, above this high, and then I set take profit 1 right here, and then 2 all the way down here. My previous jobs on liquidity, London and Asian low. As you can see, you know, got stopped out. It it wasn't honestly, it just wasn't a good day. This week overall hasn't been that great, just mainly because of this war going on. It's like Trump tweets one thing, and then the market will, like this, for example, like this is a news candle. Let's see, like this, he tweeted right here, and then it was like, oh yeah, we're gonna do bomb like the implants or something, and then it just spikes up. You know what I'm saying? So price really has been moving off of those just news, the war news and everything like that, the tweets and stuff like that. So overall, it wasn't really a great week to trade in my opinion. I still like this trade, but um, I kind of learned that, if we inverse that gap, I should just be a little bit more patient, maybe risk less, which I did. Um, but obviously, I think I should have waited for a 5-minute break of structure just to give me better, 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 you know, proof that we're gonna go down and stuff like that. So, um, yeah, so that was the trade for that day, and then I didn't really trade the rest of the week. Just because of that news. Also, Friday was Good Friday, market was closed. And yeah, so, but I did catch this trade on this paper trade. I'm not going to really go much into depth, but I was bullish for the day. We had a 5-minute break, and then we had 5 minutes equilibrium from this low to this high. We retraced down back into equilibrium, and then I saw a break of structure on the 1 minute right here. I set stops underneath this 5-minute low because it was a protected low, and then I set take profits 1 in the middle of this for value gap, and then take profits 2 at this high. We ended up hitting full take profit with like a 1 to like 3.5 to 4 risk reward ratio. This was an insane trade. I was very, very happy with this trade. I took it on paper because I wasn't trading the rest of the week. But I took this on paper. This was my strategy to T, high time frame sweep, 5-minute break, 5-minute EQ, 1-minute break, entry, exit at previous draws on liquidity. So yeah, this was overall a great trade. I was very, very happy with this trade, and very, very glad I followed my strategy to T. And yeah, man. So hopefully you guys have a great Easter, blessed weekend. And yeah, let's get hopefully next week's a little bit better. And yeah, um, I'll be posting some more, and I will might be posting a vlog pretty soon here because I did get um a little something new. It's in my new YouTube short if y'all want to go check that out. But yeah, I'll probably be posting a vlog here soon, so stay tuned, y'all. Hopefully, you have a I want to have a blessed weekend, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.